Your liver plays a crucial role in maintaining your health by filtering blood from the digestive tract, metabolizing drugs, and detoxifying chemicals. It also produces bile, aiding in fat digestion and waste removal. Keeping your liver healthy is essential for your overall well-being. Although the liver is quite resilient, certain foods and drinks can contribute to its health. If you're wondering about the best drinks for liver detox, we'll explore the top 11 options. Let's get started. Number 1. Lemon water. Lemon water is a simple and helpful drink for cleaning your body. It helps remove harmful substances from your blood. To make it, you can either squeeze a fresh lemon into water or cut a lemon into slices and put them in your water. It's best to drink it warm because cold drinks can surprise your body and make your digestive system work harder to warm up. Number 2. Ginger and lemon drink. To make your drink even better, add some ginger. Ginger helps with digestion, circulation, and sweating, which improves the cleansing process. It also reduces inflammation. Drinking this mixture speeds up your metabolism, reduces bloating, and can even help prevent sickness. Number 3. Grapefruit juice. According to a study in the World Journal of Gastroenterology, grapefruit is a beneficial food. It has two main antioxidants, naringin and naringenin, which lower inflammation and shield liver cells, preventing liver damage. These compounds can also decrease fat accumulation in the liver and boost enzymes that burn fat. This makes grapefruit a good choice for combating non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Number 4. Turmeric tea. Turmeric tea is thought to be one of the best drinks for detoxifying the liver. Research indicates that turmeric has properties that can reduce important molecules causing inflammation, which can start, progress, or worsen diseases like liver disease. Number 5. Green tea. Another study from the World Journal of Gastroenterology suggests that green tea may be helpful in reducing overall fat content and combating oxidative stress. Additionally, it may alleviate the symptoms of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Number 6. Chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is commonly known as a soothing drink to relax and unwind before bedtime. However, it contains sesquiterpene lactone, which helps the liver get ready for detoxification. Moreover, the herb has anti-inflammatory properties that assist your body in handling the byproducts of detoxification, preventing an increase in inflammation levels in your body. Number 7. Oat tea. Oats are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, promoting digestion and benefiting the cleansing of your liver and intestines. This is why oatmeal is often seen as an ideal detox option, assisting in flushing out toxins from your body. A study in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences discovered that beta-glucans in oats appear to reduce the accumulation of fat in the livers of mice. Number 8. Jujube fruit juice. The jujube fruit, originating from South Asia, contains elements that support the nourishment of the liver, which is crucial for both fat burning and detoxification processes. Additionally, this herb has calming effects on the mind and helps reduce stress levels, promoting quality sleep. This, in turn, contributes to proper liver function. In Chinese medicine, the jujube herb is believed to strengthen the spleen and pancreas, which is important because an overloaded liver can disrupt digestion and, consequently, impact the spleen and pancreas. Number 9. Peppermint tea. Peppermint is rich in essential oils, such as menthol and menthone, which play a significant role in aiding digestion, particularly after a heavy evening meal. Overeating can lead to food stagnation, disrupting sleep. Peppermint can be helpful in addressing this issue. When consumed as tea, it supports the digestive process by assisting the liver in its detoxification and digestive functions. Number 10. Skandra Berry Tea. Skandra is a lesser-known fruit that offers numerous health benefits. When steeped in hot water, these berries can shield your liver from harmful byproducts produced during detoxification. And it also makes for a tasty, fruity drink. Research indicates that elements in Skandra, such as lignans, have the ability to protect the liver, preventing damage. Moreover, Skandra berries are believed to have an adaptogenic effect on the entire body. This helps ensure that all bodily processes function optimally without straying from their normal range. Number 11. Coffee. Coffee could be beneficial for the liver, offering protection against conditions like fatty liver disease. A 2014 study in the Journal of Clinical Gastroenterology suggests that coffee has protective effects on the liver by influencing certain enzymes. The study also notes that coffee appears to reduce the accumulation of fat in the liver and increase the presence of protective antioxidants. Additionally, coffee contains compounds that aid liver enzymes in eliminating substances that could cause cancer. The liver is a crucial organ with over 500 functions, primarily responsible for cleaning your blood. To ensure it functions optimally, it's essential to consume healthy and cleansing foods. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Taking care of your liver means taking care of your entire body.